Tired of grainy webcam footage and ready to transform your live streams with breathtaking cinematic quality? Today, we're unboxing the secret to superior streaming. Connecting your Canon Eos 250d to your computer. First, you'll need a few essentials: your Canon 250d, a fully charged battery, and the specific USB cable that came with your camera. It's typically a micro to USB-A type. Carefully plug the smaller end of your USB cable into the corresponding port on your camera. It's usually located behind a small rubber flap on the side. Next, connect the larger end of the USB cable to an available USB port on your computer. Make sure it's firmly seated. Now, power on your Canon 250d and switch it to video mode, often represented by a camcorder icon on the mode dial. This ensures the camera is ready to send a live video feed. On your computer, you'll need the Canon Eos Webcam utility software if you haven't already. Download and install it from Canon's official website. Once installed, launch the utility. Finally, open your preferred streaming software, such as OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS. In the video source settings, select the Canon Eos Webcam utility as your camera input. You should now see your camera's live feed. And there you have it. Say goodbye to pixelated streams and hello to stunning, professional-grade visuals. Elevate your content and captivate your audience with the power of your DSLR. Happy streaming!